Want to know how to use Microsoft Excel using Microsoft 365? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under the minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your m365.cloud.microsoft website and you should be right here on the business interface. And now once you're here, on the left side, you should be seeing this navigation option right here. You can just simply select that in order to extend it. And here you can just simply scroll a little bit down and here you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. So right below Word, you should be seeing Excel, just simply like that. And now once you forget Excel, as you can see right here, your Excel should open up, which is your spreadsheet. Now using it is like using a normal Excel but in a browser form. And now here you can just simply like create a blank workbook or upload a file if you want to edit it. So it should create a workbook for you right here. So as you can see right here, you can just simply see all the sheets. You can just simply start creating now, adding formulas and much more. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.